In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task to a different list in Google Tasks. If you use Google Tasks to keep life organized, you probably have separate lists for work, personal projects, or errands. Moving a task from one list to another is quick, and doing it the right way helps keep everything tidy and easy to find. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the Google Tasks app on your phone. You're looking for the standalone Tasks app with the blue circle and white checkmark icon. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so you see the right lists and tasks. Next, tap the list where the task currently lives. At the top of the screen, you'll see the name of the active list. If you need to switch, tap the list name or the small arrow beside it to reveal your other lists. Choose the list that contains the item you want to move. Keeping your lists clearly named, like work, home, or shopping, makes this part faster. Now find and tap the specific task you want to move. This opens the task's details. You'll see information like its title, notes, due date, and subtasks. Don't worry, moving the task won't change those details. It only changes where the task is stored. Inside the task details, look for the option that says Move Task to, next to, or just under the current list name. And there's a small drop-down arrow there. Tap it to bring up the full list of your available task lists. This is the control that actually relocates your task. Finally, select the list you want to move the task to. As soon as you tap the target list, the task is reassigned. You'll see the list name update right away in the task details, confirming the move. When you return to your lists, the task will now appear in the new place. Everything else about the task, its due date, notes, and subtasks, stays intact. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you find yourself moving similar tasks often, consider whether a different list structure would reduce the need to shuffle items around. Consistent naming and keeping lists focused on a single area of your life or project can save time. Also, because Google Tasks syncs across devices, the change you just made will reflect anywhere you use tasks with the same account. That's it, simple and effective. With these steps, you can keep your to-dos exactly where they belong, so you can focus on getting things done.